Using awesome screenshot and screen recorder is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use awesome screenshot and screen recorder. Process is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Now here you just have to search for awesome screenshot and recorder and then go to their website, which should be awesomescreenshot.com. Now here you just have to click on this add to Chrome and this tab will open up. Here you have to click on this add to Chrome again and then click on this add extension. What it will do is it will add this extension into your Google Chrome. As you can see, it just installed. Now how to use it? Using is pretty easy thing to do. You just have to click on the extensions tab and then click on this extension. As you can see, it can actually record the stop, it can actually record this tab only, and it can do multiple things. However, it can take the screenshots as well. And you can actually record your camera as well by selecting this camera and then click on this turn on to allow the permissions. Now, if you want to record this tab, just click on this and it will start recording. However, in order to do that, you need to log in. You can actually take the screenshot of this as well. Suppose if I go to the capture and if I click on this visible part and then if I select that and then what it will do is it just took a screenshot and take me to the new tab. Now here I can edit it, I can actually highlight it, I can crop it. However I want, I can actually do something like that as well. Once you're done with this thing, you can actually download it as well after clicking on this done, and then click on this download to download. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.